Hi, I'm Russell Delaney with ESBservice.com, and in this video I'm unboxing the Light Your Way compact light fixture. So this is how it comes packaged. Now, on the initial shipments, we have a sheet here. Here, I'll cut this off. You want to pay attention to the information on this sheet. It basically tells you how to carefully unpack it and handle it well, which I'm going to show you right now. So when you open it up, there's the accessories are in this box right here. So I'm going to pull that out. And then we'll open this up. Now, in here, you're going to have your owner's manual. And you have, this is mounting hardware. You have 4 wall anchors, and there's 4 screws for mounting it to a wall or to a door. And on the initial shipments, we're including 4 spare acrylic clips. So that would be important to hold on to just in case there's any breakage. So the unit is kind of heavy, and it's made up of 2 different fixtures actually. So first off, you want to be careful. These are the mounting tabs, and they're kind of thin and fragile, so you want to be careful of that when you're unpacking it. And then back here you're going to have, this is the wire loom, there's a harness, and then we have the power cord on this side here. So you want to be careful of this when you're unpacking it. I think the best thing to do would be to close one flap and then rotate the box over flat like this, and then carefully bring it over to the edge where you can open the flap up the rest of the way, and then simply pull the carton off. Then we just need to get these side caps off, so carefully just slide it out. And you want to watch for these lamp holders. This is plastic, and then also these acrylic clips here, that's plastic as well, so you want to be careful handling that. And then when we get both of these fixtures through, we're just going to fish the harness through the rest of the way. So that's freed up. And then we're just going to take this side, same thing, I'm careful of these acrylic clips and these lamp holder sockets. Slide it off the end here. And then this section here has the power cord. So I'm going to carefully fish it through the hole here in the box. Now you're going to want to keep all this packing material just in case of anything. And there you go, that's the fixture. So we're going to do another video doing the actual mounting of this, and then we'll do another video showing the lamp configurations. So if you would like, please visit ESBservice.com for more information. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.